Children, just check what they have given. Now the thing is, I did not copy the entire question because whatever is there in the question, I have put everything into the diagram. Okay, so diagram देख के we can understand कि what things are given to us. Let us find out one by one. देखो पहला main circuit में the main current is 0.25 ampere. पूरा circuit में current उतना है. Then the 2 voltage is no doubt the EMF of the circuit. So EMF is given to us, plus internal resistance of 3 ohm is given to us. And the external resistance, if you check, we have 3 resistors, out of which 2 of them, that is 2 and R, are connected in parallel with 4 ohm in series. Okay, this is the question. Now let us find out what we have to find out in this. First is potential difference across the 4 ohm resistor. Acha. So they want to find the voltage in the 4 ohm resistor. Fine, fair enough. Second one, potential difference across internal resistance. Acha. So they want us to find the potential difference across the internal resistance of 3 ohm. Fine. Next, potential difference across R ohm और 2 ohm resistor. हाँ, तुमको तो पता ही होगा. These two are connected in parallel. So दोनों में the voltage would be the same. Okay. Next, the value of R. Okay. They want us to find the value of this unknown resistor over here, which is given right now as R ohm. Fine. We have understood the question and we have understood what things we have to find out. Let's start working on it. Okay. Have patience, kids. Come on. Look here. So the first one is PD, potential difference across only the 4 ohm resistor. ठीक है. So potential difference is given by V. Now V, they want only in 4 ohm. So I'll write below potential difference across 4 ohm. Okay. Basic formula, that is I into R, which is equal to. Now तुमको पता है मेन सर्किट में मेन करंट कितना दिया हुआ है 0.25 एम्पियर. ओके, सो I is given 0.25 multiplied by resistance R, that is 4 ohm. So 25 4s are 100, but after decimal 2 digits, so I'll be having here 1 volt as the potential difference across the 4 ohm resistor. I'll just put this in a box properly. Okay, so the first one is done. Now to the second one, potential difference across the internal resistance. ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. So I'll write here potential difference V, that is across internal resistance, that is given 3 ohm. Okay, now again same formula. I is the main current in the circuit and internal resistance is written by small r. So I'll write I into small r. Now I is given 0.25 into internal resistance is 3. 25 3s are 75. After decimal 2 digits, so it would be 0.75 volt. Okay, this is the second one done. Okay, this is done. Okay, now children, pay attention. Now what they want? They want us to find the potential difference across R or 2 ohm resistor. Okay, now the concern is this R, which is given unknown to us. It's not given to us. So let's try to find out that first. So what I'll do is, this R, I'll take it as X ohms. Okay, just to make it very simple for you. Instead of R, I'll take it as, चल imagine X ohm का resistance है. Okay, now please pay attention to the board beta. Okay, very important. The value of R. So right now we have considered it as X. Okay, beta, पूरा main circuit में the current is fixed 0.25 ampere. Okay, so pay attention to the board. Now I, which is given 0.25 ampere. EMF is given 2 voltage. It's readily on the diagram as well. EMF 2 voltage. Okay, तो मेरे पास पूरा circuit में current available है, EMF available है, so I can easily find out the total resistance in the circuit. Okay, so that is given by the formula I would be equal to EMF divided by capital R plus small r. That is external resistance plus internal resistance. That gives me the total resistance of the circuit. Done. Now, R plus R, if you bring it here, no doubt division. Multiplication. So R plus R. EMF 2 voltage. Current is 0.25 ampere. So now, therefore, capital R as it is, plus internal resistance given to us 3. So this would be 200 divided by 25. So basically R plus 3, this would be equal to 25 8s are 200. So now I can get, therefore capital R is equal to 3 goes over there, so it's easy to solve now. So capital R is 5 ohm. Capital R 5 ohm. Sure बेटा? Now, अभी ये capital R मतलब कौन सा resistance होता है? External resistance. Okay, तो this two and this one, इनका effective is the external, which is 5 ohm. We found out. Fine, then we can easily have a formula to find the external resistance of the circuit, which would be these two in parallel plus series with this 4 ohm. Okay, so let us apply there now. तो ये दोनों parallel है, तो इनका क्या हो जाएगा? 1/2 effective plus 1/x plus 4 ohm. Total is 5. External 5 plus 4 वहां पे गया 1 हो जाएगा. So 1/x, this would be 4 वहां पे जाएगा, subtraction 1, ये half भी उधर जाएगा. So this is 1 minus half, so which is equal to 1/x equals 1 minus half is half. So if I reciprocal this, I'll be having x is equal to 2 ohms. Fine beta. So the value of R, which I have considered it as x ohms, now I got the answer as 2. So I'll just put this in a box. Okay, so I found the fourth one, and now it is so easy to calculate the third one. They want us to find the potential difference across R or 2 ohm. As you know, they are in parallel, so potential difference would be the same. Okay, so I can just mention this as D, the fourth one, and now here I'll start with the third one. C. They want us to find potential difference across 2 ohm or R. Now R is also 2 for me. So I'll write potential difference across R, which is again equals to IR. I, which is given 0.25 into this resistance, means the effective resistance of the two. Common sense. So effective कैसा find करेगा बच्चा? दोनों parallel में है, तो 1/2 plus 1/2, which is 1. So 0.25 into 1, the final answer would be 0.25 volt. So this one is for the third one. Okay, so it's all given to you on one single frame. I hope you have understood it, children. Okay, thank you so much.